Robo Club is started in 2008. We have been with schools working on the curriculum of academics of children, and we have defined a curriculum which actually incorporates all the concepts of physics and mathematics that they learn in schools into robotics. So when they do robotics, when they participate in such activities, they not only it's not only a fun, they also learn the academics that have learned in their school, that they will have a better understanding because they will put to use these academics, these principles in physics and mathematics which they learn in the academics. They don't have an opportunity to put to use. So now they put to use here. From Hyderabad, we have close to 12 kids have participated in Olympiad regionals at Bangalore. That amounts to 3 members per team. So total 4 teams. Of the 4 teams, 3 teams got qualified. One team stood up as winner in overall Olympiad at Bangalore Regionals with as high as 100 points, full 100 point score, and as little time as possible. No other team was ever close to them. Actually, it's a robotic Olympiad. Every year, World Robot Olympiad happens, and IRO is the Indian chapter of World Robot Olympiad. IRO stands for Indian Robot Olympiad, and there they conduct this competition, from which they select the talent pool and they send them to WRO representing India. So for that, first a regional Olympiad will be held in various places. From the winners from the qualifying teams from these places will be called for the national Olympiad, and in the national Olympiad, qualifying teams, top qualifying teams will be they will be taken for they will be representing India at World Robot Olympiad. The objective of robotics is robotics is going to be the future. In the years to come, it is all robotics. First part. So they need to be kids of today should be well acquainted with what robotics is, how it works, what are the principles and all. Second thing, robotics till date has been the course for creamy layer. It was a costly affair for many. So our effort here is to bring it to the level where most of the kids can access robotics, so that their understanding can be improved. So we have a plan in the coming years to maybe, I'm not sure, but we want to conduct IRO in Hyderabad. Till now it never happened in Hyderabad. We want to conduct IRO at Hyderabad, and we want to also take the talent room from government schools. Right now we have quite a number of students, but for the Olympiad, right now only 9 students are practicing.